Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to add contacts on your Yahoo Mail account. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser and log in your Yahoo Mail account. So open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong sign in. So click mo lang yan. At kailangan lang natin mag-sign in sa ating Yahoo Mail account. Okay? So click mo lang dito yung next. And makikita mo na dito na nakapag-login na tayo. Okay? So ang next step, dito lang sa upper right side makikita mo dito yung Yahoo Mail icon. So click mo lang yan. And madirect tayo dito sa ating Yahoo Mail inbox. Alright? So, ang next step dito is to find any email dito sa ating inbox. Okay, so for example, click mo lang yung email na yan dito sa box. So, click mo lang yan. Once na-click mo na yung box, and then dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So, i-click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung add sender to contacts. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side, makikita mo na dito yung ating i-fill out mga details. Okay, so contact details yung first name. So pwede ka nang maglagay dyan, i-fill out mo siya. And then yung middle name, nickname, short name, and then yung email. And next step dito sa kanyang phone numbers, and add email address, add phone number, yung kanyang town, street, country, region, and yung address, work details, yung birth date, and then yung website and other notes dito. So once na fill out mo na yan, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung save. Okay, so click mo lang yung save, and then makita mo na dito na contact created. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan on how to add contacts on Yahoo Mail quick and easy. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.